today, do some things to the 300. It's not reading any oil pressure. Call me crazy, but I'm pretty sure that it's just the sensor. Been driving it around, it's not making any ruckus or racket, so I think it's fine. But I'm gonna get a little peace of mind today and throw on the new sensor. Just kind of go along, see how it goes. So you can kind of see that, like, during an idle, when you first fire it up, it seems to read pretty well. As the engine gets warmer, it seems to just drop and drop and drop until eventually it just kind of sits at like 0 to 5. Every now and then when you drive it, it'll kind of start to read again. If you get lucky, like yesterday I was driving it and it just seemed to be running and reading as normal. For a little peace of mind, I'm gonna switch it up. Like I said, it doesn't make any weird noises. The car's only got 146,000 miles. Switch it out and see what happens. I'm gonna jack it up and change the oil, change the sensor, give a little update on how it reads after that. So I got the car jacked up, had to drive over some boards just to get the jack under it. Here's the new sensor that I'm gonna be putting in. So it looks like this whole thing screws in, welded on bolt, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, I'm gonna crawl into there and show you, but it's got a boot over it, over this connector. I'm gonna take the boot off, unplug it, and then unscrew this thing out, screw in the new, change the oil. We should be good. So the actual sensor is right by the oil filter, which I have found is about right in here, right below, about passenger side, midway up to the engine bay. So this is the old one. It's right by the oil filter. And so yeah, I'm gonna take this rubber boot off here, and we're gonna pop this connector off, and there should be the same 14mm right there that we can just unscrew off. So finally got the new one on. I think the other one ended up being like a 16, and you really need something with a small slender head to get in there to get that bolt. I had to play with a bunch of wrenches that I had till I could find one that actually fit to slide in that spot, and I kind of broke it loose and just grabbed it with some channel locks right here and twisted the old one out. The new one's in, so get that boot on there and then oil filter, and then we're gonna fill it up and turn it on. So after replacing the sensor, it's reading about 32, maybe 35. So it's definitely looking a little better. It's not dropping to like 5. It was doing some crazy stuff. So I'm gonna drive it around town and see what it's like. But I think that definitely got it. All right, just a little update. Just drove up to the gas station to see how it would work. Grabbed a little soda, and it is running really, really good. So the whole time it was nothing but like 28 and above, pretty sure is what it's supposed to be. I mean, granted, before I changed it, it was at like 10. So, but yeah, I think that did it, folks. We're gonna drive on back and maybe give it a little joyride on this nice North Carolina day.